Okay, so here you have it, my people. Jamaican style steamed callaloo. Welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen. Today we are cooking up authentic Jamaican steamed callaloo, fresh, healthy, and full of island flavor. First and foremost, big up Father God, oh yeah? Let's cooking. Okay, so I'm going to do two different version of steamed callaloo. One I'm going to add saltfish, and the next one going to plain. So first, I'm going to wash off some of the excess salt of the saltfish and then boil it. Rinse off the salt off of it, the excess salt. So over here, so I have my water already boiling, and this is like 6 cups of water. So I'm going to put the saltfish inside. I'm going to cook it twice to get out the excess sodium from it. So I'm going to throw off this water after 5 to 6 minutes and add the next water to get out the sodium. Okay. Now I'm going to wash the callaloo with salt, cold water. See how the water get cloudy? So you have to make sure so you wash your vegetables properly, okay? So you could use baking soda or you could use salt to wash them, okay? Heat the next rinse. Now I'm going to strip the callaloo them. So you just do like this to strip them. So you want to strip them like this. So just go ahead and strip them one by one. And then make sure you get off all this string. So I'm going to go through and strip them one by one. So this is what I get after I strip them. See? So you want to make sure you take off all of these stuff, okay? Where you could get off. So this is trash. We're not using this. Now I'm going to cut up the callaloo. So you're just gonna do like this. You want to make sure you hold it tight together. Cut just like this. So this is all of it. This is how it's supposed to look when you cut it up. Nice and refined. Now I'm going to wash my fresh seasoning them. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Just wash them off. Now rinse them off one more time. Make sure they properly wash, especially in the stem here. First, I'm going to cut the peppers. I like to cut my peppers them back way, okay? Like this. Alright, so that is it for my peppers. Now I'm going to cut the onions. Cut the onion. Turn it around. So just slice the tomatoes down the line. So this is it for the tomatoes. Now I'm going to cut 5 cubes of garlic. So I just press them like this when I'm cutting them. Now I'm just chop them. So I'm not going to chop them no smaller than this. Here we have 2 stalks of scallions also. Let's go chop them. Now I'm going to cut the carrots. So I'm just going to split them down the middle like this. I'm just cut. So this is it for the prepping. Now I'm going to start to steam the callaloo. And the first one is the one without the saltfish. I'm going to use some coconut oil. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Now to my pot, I'm going to add the peppers, onions. Not all of it. Going to add fresh thyme. Some garlic. That is like 2.5 cubes of garlic. Some scallions. Remember, we're doing 2 pots, okay? Some carrots. Now I'm going to add the callaloo. The tomatoes. All-purpose seasoning. Going to stir. One tablespoon of butter. Going to add 1 pepper. Going to cover it, allow it to steam for 8 minutes on low heat. Okay, so it's already 8 minutes. And it's steam. I don't want it to overcook. So this already steam, as you could see. And I don't want the pepper to burst. So now I'm going to turn off the stove. So I'm just going to plate it. Look at that. So here you have it, my people. Authentic Jamaican steamed callaloo. Now I'm going to do the one with the saltfish now. So this is the saltfish, my people. It already cooked. I cook it twice to get out the excess sodium. So now I'm just going to drain it off and break it up. Alright, now I'm going to start the cooking process. I'm going to start off with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. To my pot, I add onions and the peppers. Add carrots. I add fresh thyme. Scallions. Add the garlic. We're going to add some okra. Now I'm going to add the saltfish. Now I'm going to add the callaloo. One tablespoon of butter. 1 hot pepper. Add my tomatoes. And to stir. Now I'm going to add my all-purpose seasoning. Not too much, because remember the saltfish have a little bit of sodium left back in it, okay? I'm going to stir. Now I'm going to cover it up, allow it to steam for 8 minutes. So it's already 8 minutes since it's steaming. Look at that. Steam to perfection. Just go turn off the stove. Okay, now we're plating the one with the saltfish. Okay, here I have it, my people. Jamaican style steamed callaloo. One with saltfish and one without saltfish. So this is the one without the saltfish and this is the one with the saltfish. So let me know in the comment section which one would you eat and what would you eat yours with. I'm going to have the one with the saltfish with some bread. So let me know which one would you eat and what would you eat yours with. So this one is my favorite. The one with the saltfish and okra. I tell you, so good. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipes to share with you all. Peace out.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.